In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a chart in Google Sheets. This is a quick and efficient way to visualize your data, and we'll get it done in just 5 minutes. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open up Google Sheets. This can be accessed through your Google Drive, or directly via the Google Sheets homepage if you have the URL saved. Once you have your sheet open, you'll be looking at a spreadsheet that might already have data entered, or maybe it's a fresh blank slate. If it's blank, you'll need to enter your data first, but for the sake of this tutorial, let's assume your data is already in place, ready for transformation into a chart. Now, let's proceed to selecting your data. This is done by clicking and dragging your cursor over the cells you intend to include in your chart. Make sure you include all the relevant data points you want to represent. If your data is laid out in columns, usually you'd select the column headers along with the actual data to give your chart the necessary labels. Once you've highlighted your data, look towards the top of your screen where you'll see the menu bar. Find and click on the Insert option. This action will prompt a drop-down menu, providing different options of what you can add to your sheet. In this list, search for the Chart option and go ahead and click that. This will instruct Google Sheets to generate a chart based on the data you previously selected. After you've created the chart, it's time to choose the type of chart you would like to display. By default, Google Sheets might suggest a particular chart type based on the data structure. However, you have the freedom to change this. On the right-hand side of your screen, you'll notice a Chart Editor panel. Within this panel, under the Chart Type section, you can choose from various chart types such as bar, line, or pie charts, among others. Considering what best represents your data is key here. Different chart types can convey information in specific ways. The last step involves customization to enhance the visual appeal and clarity of your chart. In the same Chart Editor pane, you'll find a Customize tab. Clicking on this will provide a range of options, allowing you to tweak the chart elements such as color schemes, labels, and font sizes. These adjustments help tailor the chart to your specific needs, ensuring it communicates the intended information effectively. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully turned your data into a visual chart in Google Sheets. With practice, these steps will become second nature, making data analysis and presentation much more efficient. Thanks for watching, and happy charting!